Okay guys, another fun one for you. This is a 2015 Malibu. 2015 Malibu. I don't know what years they go, 2015 to 18 or who knows. I had replaced the starter and the car was dropped off at the lot. It wouldn't start. It had a dead battery. It'd been sitting for a while, so you know, I'll be straightforward. I shotgunned. We put a battery in it, and I actually hit the old starter with a pry bar and a hammer right there on the solenoid to try to under that sensor. Not sure what sensor that is, but anyways, it cranked up. So I went ahead and assumed starter. So I put a new starter in it, got the battery in it, all that. I was doing the same thing, clicking. Got the old starter down here, and I was thrown through a little loop because I was trying to hit it with the power probe, and it wouldn't engage. And I guess the power probe wasn't sending enough power to the solenoid to activate it. So I went ahead and got the handy dandy jumper cables that are up there, and I ran them straight to the new battery, and I hooked them up to the starter, and it did engage. It came out and it spun just like it should. So yeah, I was having still with the new starter tick. It ended up being this ground right here, and I should have actually replaced the whole wire, but per customer's request, you know, they wanted to save money, whatever. I told them I could possibly clean up that area, clean the ground cable right there, and it was just kind of brittle too. It's kind of like broken in half right now, and it was heavily corroded, but I hit it with a wire wheel underneath there. And then there's another spot. This is where it actually goes, that little right here, this little stud, but if you can kind of tell, it's super corroded and just jagged and just bad. So there's another hole over here for that 13 millimeter bolt, and so I cleaned all that around. You can kind of see the shiny spot right there. And yeah, I got all that primer off of the wire wheel, and I grounded it there, and we are back in business. But it did throw me through a loop. It took a little bit to figure out what was going on. I should have checked my grounds immediately, but you know how that goes. So boom, there it is. Just a quick video. If you're having issues, you change your starter, check your powers, check your grounds, and could have ohmed it out and all that, but yeah, I ended up seeing how corroded it was, and I figured it has to be that ground. And that's not a very, I don't know how common it is on these, but that just runs to the transmission right there. It's probably maybe 1.5 feet, 2 feet. So if you're having issues with these cars, that year model starting, yeah, check the ground cable before you even throw a starter at it. Have a great day.